Hello ISB, I'm Mike.
Hi, and I'm Priscilla.
I'm Alan.
And I'm Alika.
Today we're going to explain to you about Ramadan and Eid.
Ramadan is a special time in the Islamic calendar.
Islam is the world's second largest religion with 1.8 billion followers around the globe. Those who follow Islam are called Muslim.
There are 5 pillars of Islam, which are rules Muslims follow. There are trusting and understanding the Shahada, or the declarations of faith.
Prayer 5 times a day.
Giving money to charity.
Participating in Hajj al-Islam in your lifetime, which is a pilgrimage to a place called Mecca.
And fasting during the holy month of Ramadan.
Ramadan is a month in Islam where people from all around the world fast for a whole month.
Of course, having no food or water for a whole month is impossible.
Actually, we have a meal before dawn. It is called sahur, so we can get ready to fast.
And then after a long day of fasting, we share an evening meal called the iftar.
When I first started, it was very hard. But then a couple days after it got really easy because I both got more patient and I got stronger.
The hardest bit about Ramadan is when people eat in front of your face, like your siblings, and you feel tempted to eat with them. Like that delicious food that your parents cook for your siblings, and you just have to stay strong.
But it's meant to be challenging, and it's a really important month for Muslim community.
Of course, not everyone has to fast. People who are sick and pregnant or young don't have to take a part.
During Ramadan, it's important for us to focus on stuff like praying, reading our religious book called the Quran, and also helping those in need.
When the month wraps up, we celebrate with a big party called Eid.
The best part about Eid is enjoying the rewards for all of the hard work during Ramadan.
We go and pray in the morning, and after that we eat some food and talk about how it was and just have fun.
And of course, there are plenty of sweets.
My favorite thing about Eid is receiving gifts and giving them back to the little kids.
The thing that I really like about Eid is when you meet your relatives and friends that you didn't meet in a long time because they live far away.
It's not just for Muslims either. There are big celebrations all around the world, and everyone is invited.
Thanks for letting us explain to you about our religion.